Hi YouTubers, today what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook the Trader Joe's mushroom and black truffle flatbread with mozzarella cheese. The instructions said to keep it frozen, so mine is still frozen. I've had it out for a couple of minutes out of the freezer. This is supposed to be a product of Italy and it has a net weight of 9 ounces. This product does have approximately 2 servings, so there's a half serving package size, but it does have 2 servings overall with a total of 390 calories for each serving. Now, what we're first going to do is preheat our oven to 425 degrees, and we're going to get this pizza started by cooking it for about 10 minutes. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and open up this packaging in order to remove it and get started. This is interesting. So it's not really big. It looks to me like it's about 8 inches. And it's topped with cheese, and the mushroom looks like a mushroom sauce, at least from what I'm looking at right now. So let's open this up and see what we're working with. Oh, it's kind of hard to do all of this and not move the camera at the same time. Okay. Now, I'm trying to open this by hand. I would recommend that you use a knife or scissors in order to get this open. So it's really lightweight, but for this, to me, this looks more like a mushroom sauce. You can see it's still frozen from being inside the freezer. I just purchased this yesterday from Trader Joe's, and just to give you an idea, like I said, it just looks like a brown mushroom sauce. Here. So I'm going to take this flatbread, I'm going to put it on a pizza pan. I've already pre-used it because I've already made another pizza type of item. So I'm going to put this inside the oven and cook this for 10 minutes and we'll see what happens. Alright, so this is cooked for 10 minutes and this is what it looks like. Let's cut this so that you can see what this is like. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and slice that. And you can see, sounds kind of crispy. To me, it looked a little bit different from the picture. Just going to slice it that way. I'm going to slice it one more time to make this doable. And so I'm going to take this piece here. And clearly you can see on the back side that that's nicely toasted, crisp. That gives you an idea of how thick it is. Let's taste it. Kind of crunchy. The bread has a really good texture to it. And if you like mushrooms, the sauce has a good flavor. The texture. So overall, I think this is going to be pretty good. I'm going to eat mine with a salad. If you try this, let me know your thoughts down below. Thanks for watching.